what's up? It's me, June, and I'm offline again, taping for the fireworks display. It's already in progress. They started too quick on me. Wow. 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 Wow, wow, wow. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. 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 Look, we're at the VA Park here in Clarksburg, West Virginia, USA. We're hoping to catch two shows, but I don't think they're going to have the Oak Mount show. So we don't really know what's going on. You know, we're catching this one. Alright, folks, we don't know. We have no idea. Folks, you're going to be watching Take Delayed Action of a fireworks display in Clarksburg, West Virginia. We were hoping for two shows. Two shows go off at the same time, but we ain't going to get that, so we're not going to get that. So we might get this one too. Wow. 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 Folks, I know this is going to look kind of ridiculous the way I'm holding the cameras, but might be my best bet. Wow. Whoa! Looks like old Jazz Packet went into his bag of tricks. Wow. Jazz Packet went in his bag of tricks. Jack Mac went in his bag of tricks tonight. Wow. There goes Jack Packet went in his bag of tricks for this year's fireworks display. We are keep on those bag of tricks. He went to his bag of tricks tonight. Looks like old Jasper went to his bag of tricks tonight. If you'd like to see this fireworks display again, folks, you can watch it on my YouTube channel. Look up Fireworks at the VA Park, Clarksburg, West Virginia, USA. Here we go. He's starting off a good one. Oh, cow. Nuts. Thanks up to the old cannon early. Folks, this was about the shortest fireworks I've ever had here.
Right here, closest chicken nugget.
And out here at the VA Park here in Clarksburg, West Virginia, USA. Like I was telling somebody to look this up on YouTube. Look up VA Park, fireworks at the VA Park. As soon as we get over here, we're going to show a thing for, there was supposed to be another show over at the Oak Mount Church, but I don't know if I must have misread it or it might have been canceled. They might do it again tomorrow night, so we might be back down this way. Who knows? This is Jerry, and I have been tape delayed once again for the YouTube and for the Facebook channel. Folks, you know, while I'm walking down through here, I'm going to get a few things out of the way. Yep, Stelly Night Methodist Church and Duff Street will be on the respective channels for Facebook and YouTube. Also, folks, careful if you're coming down here at the VA Park. Big crowd tonight. Big crowd tonight, and there's going to be some traffic hazards here and there. So be careful. Be careful watching for traffic down this way for the next hour. There's the Oak Mount. I don't know if you can see it from here. The Oak Mount was supposed to start, but I don't know if we're going to get that. And it's way back there just for the video. I don't know what happened to their fireworks display, but as you can definitely see, there's a lot of traffic out here at the VA Park. So, if you're headed over 98, you may want to be careful. US Route 19, be careful. Be careful of the traffic coming in and out of here. And I think the Oak Mount was on the other side, so we could not view that. But I could tell a lot of traffic is coming from the Oak Mount side. So basically, yeah, man, there was 2 fireworks displays in the same area. Sorry we couldn't carry them both. We wish we could. We'd love that, but we couldn't carry them both. But a lot of people out here, yeah, for some of you fans, some of this may look familiar. Why? Let me explain. Traffic's going to be tied up from the VA Park up to Village Square Conference Center and the Go-Mart. And Sheets. So they're all going to be tied up for a while. Some of this may look familiar, folks, for the simplest reason. I did a video back in January of this year for the Tough Man contest. And to be honest with you, I called it Crazy Traffic. So you may want to look up that video as well. Well, but this one's going to be a little bit different. As you can see we're on Milford Street now. I'll head back towards the house. Well, this has been Jerry. And once again, I've been tape delayed. For what you may ask? A fireworks display in Clarksburg, West Virginia, USA. Hoping for a double, but I don't think we're going to get one. Well, at least got a solo out of it. That was one of the most fastest fireworks displays I've ever seen in my life. I couldn't believe how short that really was. Like I said, traffic down around Milford Street. Sorry about that. Traffic around Milford Street. Route 19, Route 98 is going to be quite hilarious. Give this thing, I'd guess, give about an hour to clean up. But this is Jerry, and I have been tape delayed once again for the YouTube and the Facebook channel. Remember to look this up on the YouTube channel. It's Fireworks at the VA Park, Clarksburg, West Virginia, USA. That covers our international law and the Geneva Rule Conventions, rules that we followed for years. Peace. Greece for peace. Aloha. We salute our men and women serving around the world in all branches of the military and our veterans. We love you madly. We're out here. Peace out. We'll talk to y'all soon.